Well, as promised, we're going to do a product review of Clean Offroad. They've generously donated a starter pack of Beach to Clean wash detergent. Gets all the mud and wash off your car, pH neutral so it doesn't cause rust, foam gun, a little bit of small assembly required on that, and a micro towel which is in the kit, and also some underbody salt protector. Now this stuff, it's better than lino, I reckon. It's not as smelly, forms a barrier between your salt, sand, mud on the underside of the car, so you don't get rusted out after your trips to the beach or up the dirty tracks. Clean Offroad. This kit's worth, I think it's a couple $100 online, and you can get different attachments on the gun. You can get them for hoses, garden hoses, you can get them for high pressure gurneys and such. So we're going to do a quick run through of our good friends Clean Offroad cleans. This is the before shot. You can see how dirty the car is. We've just come off Kangaroo Island. Wow, it's too hot. Yeah, it hasn't had a wash in a couple of months. It's been on the island, Kangaroo Island. It's a bit dirty. We'll show you just exactly what this product does, how it brings your car up. Fair amount of dirt. We'll have it looking spick and span. Clean Offroad. Keep us protected. They're an Australian company. I think they're based in Queensland, by memory. So in this starter pack you get foam gun, 1 litre Beach to Clean wash, a wash mitt, large microfiber drying towel so you can polish her off, and the underbody protection kit. Now this stuff is Australian made, as I'm saying, and yeah, keen to give it a go. You've seen how dirty the rig is. We'll show you how it comes up after. Very hot. 43 degrees here on the floor. It's needing to see the spray grind coming up. Part of Kangaroo Island came up on that side. We have been camped up in the campsite. It was a sand campsite. So this is really going to tell you guys how much of an amazing product this is. You wet your car down. Of attaching your canister, which is going to pre-mix and come out the foaming gun. And on the top here, you've got numbered sections so you can have it less mixture to water. So number 1 is using less detergent, number 4 is using the most detergent, or 5 even. We'll try on level 3 because it's pretty dirty. So you just whack her on, cover the whole car, foam it up. Put a manual ladle. Says to leave the product on a minute or 2, but because it's such a hot day here, it's 35, 36, it just evaporates on the metal, so we're just going to rub it off. Ideally you should let it sit a minute or 2, soak all that mud off. You can see how visibly clean it is already, and this is a neutral detergent cleaner, so there's no acids in it, so it's not going to harm your paintwork. There's nothing harmful in this product at all. Seems to have picked the car up real good. Sprayer on. Foam it up. Adjust your foam pressure on the dial up. We've got it on 3 because the car's that dirty. 1 for the less detergent, 3 is sort of a medium use of detergent. Just dispenses the product more evenly on the car. You can even see the dust and dirt shifting off it just looking at it.
I love it when the hose kinks. Said you gotta love it when the hose kinks.
I'll try to great trick that one. See the dirt? It's literally melting off the car. As I said, it's got anti-corrosive properties in it. There's nothing hard going into paintwork. The dust is literally, flows off it. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. It's actually lifted the dirt out and flushed it off. What this pack also gives you is good. It's got assembly instructions and directions for use, so you don't get confused and you can get the right clean mix for your vehicle, however dirty it is. It's always good when you get a little bit of a heads up on how to use it. Pretty simple. 100 mils of detergent into the mixing chamber, mix it with water. Got a dial up button here so you can use less and more product depending on how thick the mud and dirt is on your car. 5's heaps of detergent, 1's less. Yeah. Just assembling it. I'll go mix it. I'll give it a blast and tell you guys and show you guys how it works. So what you're going to go and do is going to add 100 ml of detergent into this foam chamber. Then you fill the rest up with water. It's alright, the car's got to get wet anyway. That gets mixed up. In this goes under the gun attaches to the hose, and this is enough to do a whole big 4-wheel drive. Depends on how dirty it is, of course. Then that basically goes into the garden hose. Like such. And that creates a trigger system. First you wet the car down, just straight water to wet it. The car's going to love this, it hasn't had a bath for
It's not much pressure.
I might put it. Car's going to love this, it hasn't had a good bath in 2, maybe 3 months. So this is really going to put this product to test and show you the amazing results that come out of it. Wet the whole vehicle down with water. And this is the end result, guys. This is done with a micro towel because it's so hot. It was drying and it was smearing on the paintwork, so we just rubbed it with the micro towel. But look at the results. Fantastic. That's this Clean Offroad. This is just their mud and salt remover car wash we just done with the pressure hose. I'm going to let that dry because the underneath's got to dry as well, and I'm going to then apply the provided rust treatment on the chassis. That comes in a bottle, a litre bottle. It's beach barrier, sorry. This stuff you can spray liberally on your chassis. Don't get it on electrical parts or rubbers, that will eat through it. But that will take 24 hours to cure. So you apply it, wait 24 hours before you go to the beach or the mud. And that gives you like a Teflon coating. So it doesn't really let the dust and stuff settle on your metal. It just slips off like Teflon. I'll get my tongue going, so. But look at the results of that. Off-road clean. Should be everybody should be buying this product, I reckon. That's really Clean Offroad. Sorry. And that is a vehicle that was sitting dirty for 3 months. It's turned it into a showroom vehicle, I think. But again, we're going to let the underbody dry because we did use the product underneath it to clean all the chassis and underbody. And we'll be putting the beach barrier stuff on once the underbody dries. Give it a good 24 hours to cure overnight. It provides you up to, where does it say it? Provides you up to 2 weeks on the beach and 6 months on the bitumen road. So it's a pretty good, damn good product.